Meet our friendly little hedgehog, so spiky, fun, and bright. All we need are just these two shapes to make him shine with delight. I'm all set. How about you? I know, you are too. Let's jump into our next adventure with a super cute hedgehog at the center of the fun. And let's swap out those circles for these two cool shapes instead. You know what makes hedgehogs extra cute, besides their adorable spikes? It's their sweet little snouts and those sparkling eyes. That's what we are drawing now. Did you know hedgehogs can have up to 7,000 tiny spikes on their back? And guess what? They can even swim. These little spiky swimmers can paddle around like tiny hedgehog superheroes. Time to draw our hedgehog's cute little body and make him as cuddly and adorable as can be. And how could he not turn out absolutely adorable when we have such fantastic lines? Let's keep up the great work. If you had a hedgehog as a pet, what would you name it? Help me pick the perfect name for this adorable spiky friend. And now, it's time to add those awesome spikes we've been talking about. Let's give our hedgehog a cool, spiky haircut. Our hedgehog friend, so spiky and small. With a tiny twinkling smile, he's adored by all. In his cozy, prickly suit, he's ready to play, spreading joy and laughter in a charming way. Our hedgehog spikes are drawn with care. He's looking cute, charming, and almost there. Next, we'll move from pencil to marker's touch to make him stand out and improve his look so much. The marker's here and ready to roll. We've kept it waiting long enough. Let's unleash it and watch the magic happen. I'm always amazed at how awesome you're doing. I'm curious, have you added any fun details to our spiky little buddy? Maybe some cool glasses or even epic boots. Let your imagination run wild and have fun with it. And tell me, you awesome little peep, where do you think our friend is off to next? Maybe he's on a treasure hunt. Or could he be looking for a snack? Maybe he's searching for a hidden gem or racing a speedy squirrel. Either way, I am sure he will have an awesome time. This is looking amazing. I'm thrilled we got to team up again for this awesome adventure. It's been a blast sharing this journey with you. And now that we're at the finish line, think about those colors. Make them pop. And hey, if you're curious, feel free to check out how mine turned out for some colorful inspiration. And if you are looking for more peeptastic videos like this, and the best part, they're totally free. Just head over to scribblepeeps.com and join the fun. Bye.